Good morning, welcome to episode 2 of the Road to Sebring. This is the episode where we're going to be dropping the RV off for service. Got to be there for 10:30 at the dealer. But we'll bring it down there, and hopefully they can get it situated in fairly reasonable time. But see how it goes. It's Tuesday, February 24th. Just had that big blizzard up here in CT, and I'm very glad I dug the RV out a while back from the first snowstorm we had, and then moved it on Saturday to my dad's house before dropping off for service today, which we're going to do. I'm on my way over there now. We're going to bring it up to the dealer where we got it, have it serviced, get the water working again, and yeah, hopefully that's the only hiccup we have for the trip. Snow's not helping much, but get up there on time today. Unfortunately, there's some pretty high winds in the blizzard, so I don't think there's much snow on the RV. I think my dad was able to snow blow pretty good around this. So hopefully we can just get there, take the tarp off, and drive out, but we'll see. Cat running around. The roads are pretty good though up here. They did a good job clearing most of them, so it shouldn't be a problem getting it down there. But just sucks we got to do it. There should be enough time between now and when we leave to get it sorted, I hope.
Just going to start it.
Oh, good. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right.
Clean up my car.
This looks pretty good here with the snowblower. You got a nice clean driveway.
Yeah.
All right.
I had to crawl on the passenger side and crawl over.
Really?
Start your car, doors frozen.
Doors frozen shut? Yeah. Damn. All right, well, we look good here. We're going to try to slide that snow right off the top. Hopefully it budges. We're going to find out. There we go. You got it now. A little bit more, probably. Oh, yeah. Watch out. Damn. I got the tarp off. All the ice is off the top. Let's head to the dealer. All right, let's get the service. All right, we're on the road. Heading to Southington to drop her off. Let's get there. This is literally like my worst case scenario that I didn't want to happen. Having the winter we had, all the snow and all the cold, like below freezing days, weeks at like 20, 15, 20 degrees. Did not want to have to bring the RV in for a late service. I was hoping it would be a little mild winter that I could get in there and check things out. But it was too late to do that. I checked everything out now before we leave in a couple weeks, and a little break in the weather we had, so a small break in the weather we had. Bring it in, but they said they get it back out to us in time before we leave for the trip. So, am I concerned? Yes. Am I worried about it? Not really. We'll see how it goes. Can't really control too much, so it's a bit out of my hands at this point. So, what's the point of really worrying about it? Either way, we're going to go to Sebring, so it's fine with me. Whether we have water or not, prefer to have water, like I said, but we can make do. Got to get fixed for the summer though, because our real camper trips, the non-race camper trips, we're gonna need some showers and stuff like that for my wife and I. My father and I can tough it out if we have to, but we'll see. Hemlock Hills RV. That's where he bought the rig from. Couldn't really pass it up last year. It was a really good deal. The amount of miles on it, 10,000 miles on it. It's 2017, a little older, but low miles was good. And it's been good ever since. I think just this little issue here, which may be user error, we'll find out, but it's all good. Let's get it in for service. Take it right here, looks like. All right, let's go check in inside. All right, the RV's dropped off. Let me get back to the work truck. I had to work now. Oh, there she is, all dropped off. Gonna see what's going on.
Here?
Yeah, right here. Snow pile here.
Wow, good job here.
Yeah, really, yeah.
Rick?
Not bad, the ABS kicking on. Well, RV left a nice little clean spot for him. We have to clear that out now. So one good thing, I guess. The RV's all dropped off. Just got back to my dad's, leaving here now to go back to work. Yeah, told him what was going on, showed him kind of what was happening, and hopefully we can get it situated before we leave for Sebring. They said that their pickup date they have now is the 13th of March. We're leaving on the 15th, but she said that they'll probably get it done, hopefully get it done sooner than that. But that was my need to have it back by date, because I got to at least have one day to pack it up and get it ready to go. So that's about it for episode 2 of the Road to Sebring series. If you liked it, hit the like button, give it a subscribe. Hopefully it won't be too long before we can film episode 3. I don't know what that will be whenever we get the RV back, but we'll see you when that happens.